Hey everyone, it's Kennidi Monroe and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to do Makeup Mondays. We're here, it's Makeup Monday, and guess what we're doing today on Makeup Monday? We are doing Wine and Only by Colourpop. Check out that beautiful palette, beautiful wine colors. So that's what we're going to do right here on this week's episode of Makeup Mondays. So stay right here. So we are back. So right now I am using NYX's new 3-in-1 eyebrow. It's kind of cute. It's the first time I'm using it, so we'll see how it goes. So it has this other side to it. So you can go in and raise your eyebrow up. So see, I have to extend this eyebrow because it doesn't go out as far as my other one. I think it's from the years that I shaved them off. But there we go. Pretty good for the most part. I mean, we'll touch them up later. So we're going to go into Wine About It right here. Oh, not Wine About It. Wine and Only by Colourpop. Beautiful color. So as you see, my white is already down on my eye. That is Magic Star by Jeffree Star white concealer. So I'm doing Play to Wine on my lid. And because this is a shimmery, I'm patting, okay? And it's very rich. I mean, just like, look at that. I'm barely putting anything on. It's just so rich. Look at that. Pretty good. Look at that. Just okay, so we put the shiny down on our lid. Now I'm gonna go in with the other palette called Garden Variety from Root 'em Up. Because the wine palette has some good colors, but I need some darks. I need some dimension that I'm trying to do. See how that is? I mean, there was stuff on here, but it's way too close to the other ones, and I felt like it wasn't doing what I wanted it to do, so I wanted to get this other palette. Now, you'll really see why I wanted this other palette, because it has a cream on it, and it's called Deserted. And see, I'm gonna do... down, I'm gonna go in and work with my eyebrow. Go in with... I want to really shape it out. There we go. So I'm going in with Colourpop's White liner. There we go. All right. Now go back in with my... So see how we're like blending that? So we're gonna go in with Blanco, but we're just gonna go right in here. There we go. Getting what I want. This side, I always have issues with this side. Just so we're gonna go in with one size point. Okay, hello, we're back. So off camera, I did my foundation and powder. If you want to see how to do your foundation and powder contouring and stuff like that, check out my contouring videos. I have 2 of them up. Check them out. So we're gonna use Kimchi's Mercedes Thailor blush. I love this blush. We're gonna use the pink side of it. Go in with. Now I'm going back in, just touching up some spots. Liner. We're gonna go underneath. So I want it in my tear ducts. So that's why I'm doing it like this. With Jeffree Star's Ice Cold highlighter. little highlighter on my eyebrow. Okay, I'm using Jeffree Star's Velour lip pencil. I'm using Unicorn Blood. So now we're going to go in with Jeffree Star's Velour Lip Color Dominatrix. There we go. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, leave a comment. And till next Monday, we'll see you again. Make sure you check out my my podcast right here on YouTube too on Thursdays for Trans Thursdays. I love you all. Bye.